You don't know. Bad man. Yeah, yeah.
Hey guys, what up? This is Queen P from CongoleseSisters. So I shoot this look for you guys. I hope you will enjoy the video. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you on the other side. Hey guys, what up, what up? So I'm starting the look with my face. I'm starting with a little primer, you know what I'm saying? This is the Boscia Mattifying Primer. You know, like I'm oily, so this is my holy grail, I guess. So yeah, applying this everywhere. I don't know why. I know why I'm smiling. I was watching a show. I always watch show when I put my makeup on, so if you're wondering, that's why I'm smiling. And now I'm just making sure that my oil stay on lock on 100. So I'm using this mattifying powder from Fenty Beauty. It's actually a translucent powder. Now I'm mixing my concealer, which is the medium beige from the Pro Concealer line, with my Dior 5.0 foundation shade. I'm mixing those two together, and that is basically my foundation, you know, because if there's no foundation to anything, well, there just won't be a thing, you know what I'm saying? So yeah, I'm blending that in. Enjoy me blending that in. I used a different concealer today, and this is from Smashbox, and it's the light medium. I think it's like medium. The shade will be listed down below. I can't remember it from the top of my head right now, but it's a little bit lighter than my medium beige, and yeah, it makes it pop more, so it makes your highlighted spot pop more, so that's why I wanted to use it today. And also it stays on 24 hours. Well, I never wear my makeup for 24 hours, but that's what it claims, and I really like the consistency. So yeah, that's a new concealer that I bought. I wanted to try something new, so here it is. So to set all these concealed places, I'm using the Blondie from Huda Beauty, and that's just like a translucent powder. I really like it. I like the way it smells. I like the way it applies. I like the way it stays on the face. I really like that powder. Honestly, I have nothing bad to say about this powder. now starting with the fun thing. I'm using the shade Just Kidding from, no, sorry, it's You're Kidding from the James Charles Time Morphe collaboration, and I'm applying that in my crease. So yeah, I'm just creasing it up on both sides, of course, you know what I'm saying. So today's look is kind of simple and kind of different. I'm using this gloss from Kylie Cosmetics. The shade will be listed down below, and basically I use the gloss for my lid, and I'm putting that everywhere on my lid. I think it's the first time I used that gloss, to be honest, and I don't know why, because it's actually really cute. So I'm using that on my lid. The shade will be listed down below. I can't remember it from the top of my mind right now, but it will be listed down below. I'm dusting all the powder off, and also the contour shade is Coconutty from Fenty Beauty. I always use that one. That's nothing new, so just enjoy me doing what I do for a while, you know what I'm saying? I also use the shade You're Kidding for my lower line. I don't know how you say that. I'm forgetting right now. But yeah, basically I just use that shade where you see me placing it right now. And yeah, after I called it a wrap. For my lips, I line my lip with my True Brown K from Kylie Cosmetics. And I also use her matte lipstick. The shade will be listed down below because I can't remember it right now. And yeah, I just applied that. It's like a metallic-y golden shade. Yes, today I really did something different. And to highlight, I use my glow kit from what's it called, Anastasia Beverly Hills, and I basically use the first shade at the left, which will be listed down below also. I went back to like an oldie. That used to be my holy grail. I used to use this palette like every day. Oh my god, I missed it so much. So this is the end, guys. I really hope you liked the video. Tell me what you think about the video down in the comments. Don't forget to comment. Don't forget to like, to share. That will really help us. And we want to thank you guys for coming back. We really love all the love and support. And have a blessed day, week, evening, year, month, day. Just may God bless you, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.
It's a Merry Christmas would be. Me get again just talk for your Christmas tree. A New Year's Eve when them a count down, me a count pound. I the pound brown, but those between a town of my sound.